Could SoFi stock be the surprise breakout in 2025? With the fintech landscape evolving rapidly and traditional banking models being disrupted, all eyes are on SoFi Technologies. In this video, we'll explore whether SOFI is simply another trendy tech stock, or if it's truly building the future of finance. We'll uncover the key facts, trends, risks, and predictions that could define SoFi's journey over the next 12 months and beyond. SoFi Technologies NASDAQ. SoFi has come a long way from its roots as a student loan refinancing startup. Today, it's a full-fledged digital bank and financial technology company offering a suite of services, including personal loans, mortgages, banking, investing, crypto trading, credit card management, and more. What makes SOFI unique is its vertically integrated model, meaning it builds its own tech, owns its own banking charter, and controls the full user experience from start to finish. One of the most significant milestones for SoFi, securing a national bank charter in early 2022. This allows the company to hold customer deposits and issue loans without relying on third-party banks. Not only does this reduce operating costs, but it also gives SoFi more flexibility in offering competitive rates and personalized products. Few fintechs have achieved this level of vertical control, and it's a major reason many analysts believe SoFi is more than just a tech startup. In terms of growth, the numbers are compelling. As of Q2 2025, SoFi has surpassed 8 million members, representing more than 30% year-over-year growth. The company's adjusted net revenue crossed $2 billion annually, with lending and financial services segments both contributing significantly. Their technology platform, powered by Galileo and Technisys, now serves dozens of B2B fintech clients across the globe, giving SoFi an additional revenue stream beyond its consumer-facing app. SoFi's ability to offer personalized lending, digital banking, and investing through a single mobile experience appeals to younger generations, particularly millennials and Gen Z, who prefer intuitive, mobile-first platforms over traditional brick-and-mortar banks. According to recent surveys, over 60% of Gen Z users prefer managing finances through apps like SoFi, and this generational shift is expected to accelerate over the next decade. Let's also talk about innovation. In 2024, SoFi launched its AI-powered financial assistant, Smart Money, which provides real-time budgeting, goal tracking, and debt management recommendations based on user behavior. The company has continued to invest heavily in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics to offer personalized experiences at scale. These innovations give SoFi a serious advantage in terms of user retention and customer satisfaction. On the investment side, SoFi's platform has grown to support retirement accounts, fractional shares, crypto ETFs, and automated investing. The company charges zero commissions and has partnered with educational content creators to boost investor literacy. Their SoFi Invest arm has attracted millions of new users since 2022, especially during volatile markets, where younger investors seek control over their financial futures. Of course, no company is without risk. One of the major headwinds facing SoFi is regulatory scrutiny, especially around lending practices and cryptocurrency services. As a hybrid fintech banking company, it must comply with evolving federal and state-level regulations, which can create operational complexity. Furthermore, macroeconomic risks, including rising interest rates or a potential recession, could impact loan demand and repayment rates. SoFi also faces intense competition from companies like Robinhood, Block, formerly Square, PayPal, and even large legacy banks embracing digital transformation. While SoFi has many advantages, these competitors often have larger war chests and global user bases. The key for SoFi will be differentiation through innovation, experience, and ecosystem depth. Yet, despite these risks, investor sentiment remains strong. Multiple Wall Street analysts have issued buy or outperform ratings, citing SOFI's unique blend of technology, banking, and user growth. According to Goldman Sachs, SoFi could see 50% stock price upside in 2025 if it continues executing on growth and margin expansion. Additionally, insider buying has increased over the past year, a sign that leadership believes in the long-term vision. CEO Anthony Noto has been particularly bullish. consistently purchasing shares and reinforcing confidence in the business roadmap. Financial forecasts suggest SoFi could reach profitability as early as late 2025, a key milestone that often attracts more institutional investors. As the company moves toward this break-even point, we can expect increased media attention and potentially explosive stock movement. So what's the bottom line? SoFi is a fintech company with a clear mission: to revolutionize how people borrow, save, invest, and manage their money, all through a sleek, all-in-one digital experience. It has the tech, the user growth, the partnerships, and the regulatory foundation to become a dominant player in the future of banking. While risks remain, the upside potential for SoFi stock in 2025 looks very real. If you're a long-term investor looking for growth in the fintech space, SoFi is a stock to keep firmly on your radar. Just make sure to do your due diligence, stay informed on quarterly earnings, and be prepared for volatility. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with others interested in the future of fintech, and let us know in the comments. Do you think SoFi will explode in 2025, or is the hype overrated?